Welcome back to ARC Tutorials. This is AI Masterclass series where I'm making AI concepts simple and easy for you to understand. In today's episode, we are learning what are model parameters. Very important concept, and especially if you're in a field of training or retraining or reinforcement learning or whatever, this is a topic that you can't miss. This is part 11 of the series. Make sure that you have watched all the previous episodes in this series. Let's get started. Alright, so what exactly are model parameters? Parameters are the knobs that our AI learned during training. That means these are the predictions, these are the patterns, these are the behavior that it has learned. Now these parameters control the behavior, knowledge, and the output that our AI model will produce. Now, whenever you hear like 3 billion parameters, etc., that means the more parameters, the more the brain capacity. Now, think of it this way in terms of our digital intern analogy that I'm carrying in this particular series. A small intern means he knows only few patterns. He can only give you simple answers. But when you talk about a big intern, like say a ChatGPT 4.0 or a Google Gemini Nano Banana, these models are trained with billions of parameters, which means they know complex patterns, they can reason better, and they can handle nuanced questions elegantly. So remember this way, more parameters equal to interns neurons, which means the more parameters the AI model gets trained on, the more diligent answers it can produce. Now, think of it from a developer view that model size is equal to number of parameters. More parameters is equal to better generalization, which means the trade-off is that it will also require you to produce more compute power, more memory. It's like comparing a tiny JS function versus a large framework. That's from a developer point of view. Now, from a simple point of view, think of it this way. Parameters is equal to number of neurons in our intern's brain. More parameters means our intern is more smart, more capable. He can derive more patterns, more associations in terms of how he will analyze the data. So it's very, very important that if you're running a large model, obviously it will require more parameters. But that being said, you can also run an AI model with lower parameters on your local host, on your local computer, like Llama models, which are available open source. Follow me for more simplified AI explanations every day. Please do like, share, and subscribe these videos. Don't forget to watch the AI Masterclass series where I make AI concepts simple and easy for you. Thank you so much for joining. See you in the next episode.